Hi, we're looking at citing inferential and explicit evidence in a text, Reading Standards 7.1 and 8.1. Inferential evidence. Inferences are educated guesses about unstated ideas in a passage. Now, sometimes authors don't tell us everything. They don't clearly state it for us. They make us have to infer by drawing our own conclusions, generalizations, and even making our own predictions. Take a look at the picture. What do you think just happened? Why do you think the girl on the pitching mound is upset? Take a moment to think about it. Well, it looks like they're playing baseball, and it looks like the pitcher's sad because the girl on the other team has hit the ball and looks like she's about to score at home base. So maybe the pitcher's feeling sad because her team is now losing. Let's infer here. A friend invites you over to her house. You see a dog bowl and a leash on the floor. What can you infer? Right. You can infer that your friend has a dog, and the evidence is the dog bowl and the leash on the floor. Explicit evidence is evidence that is explicitly and directly in the text. For example, Melissa played basketball after school. She scored 28 points against Marshall. What sport did Melissa play after school? Think about it. Right. Melissa played basketball. Here's another explicit evidence practice. Read the paragraph and answer the two questions. Remember, the answers will be in the paragraph. Right. In the first sentence, it explicitly states all living things are made of cells. So that answers question number 1. Number 2 is what's the main idea of the article? The main idea of the article is the last sentence in this paragraph. Cells are the building blocks of our bodies. How'd you do? Hope you did well. Now for homework this weekend, you're going to read this article. You're going to answer 3 of the following questions and write your answers on a piece of paper. Also write down the evidence or the clues that you found the author used that helped you to get those answers. You're going to bring your paper to class on Monday. Here's the first question. It's an inferential question, which means you're going to have to think about this answer. Here's the second question. Again, it's an inferential question. You're going to have to think and make an inference to see what the author said. The last question is an explicit question. You're going to find the evidence directly in the text. So to review, an inference is an educated guess. Sometimes the author makes us infer about a conclusion, a statement, even a prediction. And explicit evidence is found directly and exactly in the text. For homework this weekend, I want you to come to class on Monday with your answers to the 2 inferred questions and the 1 explicit question, along with evidence that you were able to cite that the author used from the paragraph. We will be going over it on Monday at the beginning of class. And remember, you can go back and reread the paragraphs anytime. You can stop, pause, and then go fast forward again. Well, have a good weekend and happy inferring.